So today there was a 92nd of annual meeting has been conducted in Goa. So what was the outcome of this meeting has been come out?
Yeah, but basically, we will tell all the members, the achievement of the BCCI and what happened in the women's player league, the WPL. So we were able to highlight and put that to the members, and also there was a lot of issues coming out of tax issues for the states. So we got them all under one umbrella so that we could help for each one with the tax issues.
So what was the major issue was being brought out by all the state associators?
I think there were a few issues. There was something like double taxation was happening in the associations. Then there were a lot of issues with there was not much of clarity from the associations towards the board. That has all been sorted out now, since these sort of meetings are going to take place regularly. So where the CFOs and the people who deal with finance with the association will come and sit with the BCCI, and everybody has some sort of problem. So we'll try and streamline all those problems and make sure that everybody works in the same. Everybody works the same way, which we should be working. Not each one works differently.
Have you pointed out in Goa there are many who are the players, especially women's and men cricket players. Have you found of any cricket players in Goa to be brought out national level?
For the national level. See, that is the state associations to do that. The BCCI will only see them when they play for the state team. So it's very unlikely that BCCI knows what is happening in your state, who's the best players, who's the good players. That is for the Goa Association to find out and put them forward. And in turn, they will play for the Dilip Trophy, and they will play for the country in the future.
So any opportunities to be taken forward for the Goan players forward?
Well, the Goa players are playing Ranji Trophy. They're in a good group. They've done well also. Some of the boys have played the Dilip Trophy recently, which was held in the Dilip Trophy, which we won, South Zone won. So opportunities are there. They have to make use of it.
Sir, any other message to the cricket players to give out?
What I can say is, make use of the opportunity. I mean, you've got good facilities. Make use of the opportunity and try and when you do well, your state also does well. So you try and promote yourself and promote the game in the state.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right?
Yeah.